Good morning, you guys. I want to go over the notes that we took yesterday from the El Nino and La Nina slides. So I'm going to go through mine with you, and you are welcome to write notes on yours, like how I have it, or you can add to your notes. This is what I think is really important. So the weather patterns that affect the U.S. Winds on the coast of the U.S. is land breeze and sea breeze, which we're going to be talking about today. Yesterday, though, you guys took notes on El Nino and La Nina because they're also weather patterns that affect the U.S. So El Nino is created by unusually warm water off the western coast of South America. So unusually warm water. So when you think of El Nino, think of warm water. It causes less precipitation and higher temperatures. So you get droughts and hot temperatures. Okay, so I'm also going to green. I'm gonna highlight created by causes. Okay, so then El Nina is the opposite. It's created by cool water off the western coast of South America. It causes less precipitation and lower temperatures. So you get flooding and colder winters. So this is how it affects the United States. It also affects Australia in kind of the opposite way. So when we have the droughts and hot temperatures, it's affecting it in Australia the opposite way. So, but for the United States, El Nino, warm water off the coast of South America, causes droughts and hot temperatures. La Nina, cool water and flooding and colder winters. So another way that I used to have my students remember this is to think of La Nina like Elsa from Frozen, because she's cold. So cooler weather or cooler water causing flooding and colder winters. So think of Elsa, Frozen. Frozen movie. There, that'll help you. All right, so I also put in your links today is a link to this diagram. If you want to add it to your notes, you can, that's fine. You just have to print it out. Even if you don't have a colored printer, you can see my colored printer, put stripes and things. But even if you don't have a colored printer, print it out black and white, and then look at mine or look at the PDF that you printed from, and you can color in the red here and the blue here. So see, here's Australia, here is South America. So when the trade winds are blowing the warmer water this way, it's making Australia area colder. So El Nino makes them colder and makes us warmer. And then when they have La Nina, they get the warm and we get the cold. So it flip-flops. And not every year is El Nino or La Nina. Sometimes we don't have either one of them. So this one you can label Australia. This one's South America. Okay, so warm, cold. So it's showing you which one is which. So just give you a little bit of a visual. All right, so now you're gonna flip to the next clean page and you're gonna write polar jet stream. And you're gonna label it for today's date, which today's the 31st. It's the last day of March. You guys are gonna do the same thing. You're gonna go through the slides that we didn't go through yesterday. So it's slides numbers 8 through 13, and you're gonna take some notes. And then after you're done taking some notes, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a quiz. So you're gonna have a Google form to fill out. So you can use your notebook and you're going to answer the questions in the quiz. Please use your notebook. That's what it's there for, you guys. So there's no reason why you should be getting 20% on this. Everybody should be getting 100 or maybe missing one because you're actually looking back in your notebook. So you have those resources. All right, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a great Tuesday.